Hi everybody. Today in the episode we are going to take the front end off, get the fenders and everything off of it today. Also you'll see in the time lapse I'm working on taking some bolts off in the fender well while Adam is trying to get the rear hitch off. So hope you guys enjoy and have some fun. Yep. So, oops. We can tell which ones are from the fender and which ones are from the underneath because the underneath are not painted. Will we get lucky and need to be half inch? No, first. Maybe go on some piece. Yeah. So we gotta take that off. Yeah, it's just off fluid. JPJ? I guess. Yeah. I'm probably hope. Getting new hoses anyway. Lovely, Joey. Yeah. I think we know where the bolts go.
Yeah, quite a bit risky, but I'm trying to do that.
What's holding the fender off?
Stuff connected into the bunker and stuff connected to the front grill. Probably stuff connected to the kitchen.
Try that. Have to take the door off. You get out bolts to take the fender off. Okay, here comes.
I'm still holding on.
Oh, could it be the actual hinges themselves are? Well, there we go.
As a matter of fact, it does.
Matter of fact, it does. That makes
Fits on there a little better.
You know.
Yep, that made it loose.
Big boy time. Big boy time, big boy time. Yeah. I had enough room in the form of breaking it. Oh, here, open it.
That's open.
No, like that. There we go.
Ooh. That's the heavy motherfucker.
Yeah, we'll fish that out later.
Stay. Stay.
And there's a bolt there. Is that it? Recap, we got one side off. Forgot to record it. We'll record the other side.
This is.
I think that one was a break though. That's the one that you just broke the fender.
Right, but there's less rust on that side.
True. Is that though?
Well, I couldn't put my foot on the floor over there, so that tells me yes.
Oh, got it.
Got shit flying at you.
Yeah, that's smart of me. No. Look at that. Fingers
just
off.
Squint and look away. It's fine.
I mean,
Oh yeah, there's your outside.
yeah. Those are getting replaced indefinitely. I don't know why that one. The other side, that bottom one too. Ooh, look at that bolt. It's been eaten.
What the hell happened there?
Rust. That's what rust does. So now we have to get that in water. Anyway,
Oh yeah.
fell on the frame. Okay. Now we're... And look at that, people.
Yeah.
It's an open wheel racer now.
Take it for a spin.
We're missing something.
Battery?
Yeah.
Oh, you cut the battery wires, didn't you?
Yep. No, I didn't. I didn't cut the battery wires. I cut the wires going to the headlights.
Oh, right. We don't need those. We don't have those.
No. But I need a radio.
Bungee strap the battery here.
I mean, it probably would start. It won't run very long because there's no coolant.
Oh, yeah.
So, there. So now we're getting the heater hoses off. And the wiring off. I do hate the... You know what? This is so much easier to do this with no finger on the fucking way. So that, and then the flathead screwdriver. Now we need
Great for
to take the hose clamps off. Bring the bucket over too. Just in case. The bucket of coolant. Trying to not be in the shop, but.
Ugh.
Okay, that one's free. Yeah, maybe. No, I did not cut that one. Oh, it's coming. Why?
Must have been that bone plate. That's where it was.
Yeah, it's coming out of the heater core. We can be fun taking that out.
Yeah. Took the part there. What? Yogi yogi?
I can't yoki.
Pull the whole thing through. Oh man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get new ones. Grab my knife. I'll just get new ones. Oh, this isn't that expensive. Got it. I don't know why I set that in it.
No. Hey, there's stuff in there. Well, maybe 4 dry and sweep anyway.
I have to pull that off.
Oh.
Okay. Ender fender. Might be replacing those. I'll see how much they are.
You want to do that stuff?
Huh?
Come on.
Okay, I'm moving. Let's watch Adam
Hurt myself.
hurt himself.
Yeah, fucking right. What are you talking about?
Ooh.
I'm going to do this without scrapping the paint up, but
I'm not
get
worried about it.
repainted anyway.
Yep. That stuff is getting repainted, and right now scratches are not a big deal.
You just stick a screwdriver right in there, get some original. It'll keep it a lot easier.
Here we go. Wiper blades are off.
I didn't even wrap them.
I'm redoing the brake lines anyway, because I'm going to go with Willwood. That's a cylinder. Well, that's what I have to do for the brakes.
So what you have to do is what you want to do.
That's all that they offer for the Moser is Willwood, just brakes. Yeah, worked off. But I don't like my brake. The line job I did at school.
Why?
Because it was just kind of half-ass.
It's worked for more than a decade.
True. Yeah, I couldn't remember how long I drove it. That was 13, I think.
Yeah, more decade.
Yep. So there, from the launch video, when I was trying to talk about it. It's been a decade since I first did this. And the reason why we're doing this is I will show you in a little bit what all started this process. The floor.
Oh. You say, which rusty spot were you talking about?
Yep.
Steak.
So, let's give you a final recap. So this is what we got done today. You got the whole front end taken apart. And this is what happened what started this conversation. Oh, we see your hand. So Dad and I talked about it, and he said he wanted to get the floor fixed. And I said, well, if we're going to do the floor, we might as well redo the entire truck. So that's what we're doing. Sounds like a good plan, isn't it? Oh, that ties this episode up. Enjoy.